This 2022 Heartland Landmark Newport is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features refrigerator, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, oven, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, leveling jacks, slide-out, smoke detector, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Landmark Newport is 14,843 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.